Welcome to our guide on starting a mobile car wash and detailing business with eco-friendly services. Let's dive into the resources that will help you get started. First, consider reading Starting a Mobile Car Wash Business by Entrepreneur Press. This book covers market research, financing, and marketing strategies. https://www.amazon.com Starting Mobile Car Wash Business Entrepreneur, DP 159,918,513. Another great read is The Complete Guide to Starting a Mobile Car Wash Business by J. D. Forrest. It covers equipment supplies, pricing, and marketing. https://www.amazon.com Complete Guide Starting Mobile Business, DP 148,008,319. For eco-friendly tips, check out Eco-Friendly Car Washing, a guide to environmentally friendly car care by David 1000 Rice. It focuses on eco-friendly products and water conservation. https://www.amazon.com Eco-Friendly Car Washing Environmentally Friendly, DP 148,008,318. Podcasts are also a valuable resource. The Mobile Car Wash Show features interviews with successful business owners and industry experts. https://www.themobilecarwashshow.com. Don't miss the Detailing Podcast, which covers all aspects of the detailing industry, including car washing and paint correction. https://www.fordetailingpodcast.com. For visual learners, YouTube has excellent videos, like How to Start a Mobile Car Wash Business by Entrepreneur. It provides an overview of the steps involved. https://www.youtube.com Watch VLP's 7HQ7. Lastly, consider taking courses like the Mobile Car Wash Business course by Startup Business Academy for step-by-step instructions. https://www.startupbusinessacademy.com Courses Mobile Car Wash Business Course. Good luck with your eco-friendly mobile car wash business.